Claudia DeRossi, and I have with me today Tanya and Ellie. Do you both consent to being recorded for today's meeting?
Yes, I do.
Okay, great. So I'll begin now. So hi all, I have with me here today Amy, our project sponsor, and Sebi, our main sub. Welcome both of you. I would like to use today's meeting to discuss the following topics. So we're going to go through our project charter, confirm authorities, responsibilities, project objectives, and the governance structure that will be used throughout the project. Please feel free to ask questions along the way. Now, as we are all aware, the objectives of the project is to upgrade the existing basketball court at Griffith High School with a fully functional, sized and safe basketball court, which will provide benefits to both students and the school. This needs to meet Department of Education contract requirements, as well as we all are fully aware. So we also aim to keep the project within the budget and within the allocated time frame. The project goals and objectives are designed to align with and contribute to our organisational goals, which include increasing customer satisfaction, increased revenue, and enhanced reputation.
Morning, Claudia. Thanks for organising today's meeting. Regarding the project objectives, is there anything you need from me to make sure we achieve?
Between myself and the project team, we'll ensure to have an updated program and budget. However, I would like to ensure we discuss this weekly to ensure no scope creep occurs and continue to have your input along the way. Thanks, Amy.
Yeah, no worries. That sounds great. As I've mentioned in previous meetings, I find our weekly meetings crucial to ensure we are up to date.
Absolutely. Now as the project sponsor, I would like to confirm the responsibilities for yourself, Amy, which include providing the funding in order to commence and complete this project, which is $400,000 as per the Department of Education purchase order. Decision-making authority, which includes changes if deemed necessary. As the project sponsor, your duty is to review, amend, or approve the project charter, which I've attached in an email and sent to you, so you can take a look at that. A copy of the stakeholder engagement policy that outlines the guidelines during the project is also sent to you as well.
I'll have a look at those documents today and come back to you for any updates or changes if needed. Otherwise, I'll approve this. Could you please provide further information on the decision-making authority, as I don't want any confusion on either and over who is in charge of what?
Yeah, definitely. So I believe being the project manager on this project, I'm able to approve invoices that are coming in under 100K, and then anything over and above, I believe should be passed on to yourself, Amy, as the sponsor for approval. Are you comfortable with this, or what are your thoughts? And what are your thoughts on changes to the scope as well?
Yeah, look, I believe anything under 1,000K is fine for you to approve, Claudia. I'd assume the only big invoices we will get is from the concrete and demo, which I would like to review prior. So yes, I agree with what you have mentioned. In regards to the scope, I think any minor changes to the scope have the ability to largely impact the job. So I would like to see all changes coming through myself.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. I'll have that noted down and ensure any change requests are made through our change request process. Do you have anything else to add here, Amy?
No, I'm happy to move on. Thanks.
Okay, great. So now regarding the project and the project team, I currently have 2 team members who are full-time and using their time to primarily focus on this project. So their duties include procure materials in consultation with the site supervisor to ensure program requirements are met, prepare monthly progress reports for yourself and other stakeholders, update information on budget programs, schedules and plans, retain records in a format that is easily retrievable, prevents deterioration, prepare and distribute subcontract documents following the selection of our subcontractors. So they will be available at any point as well to assist you with any queries you guys may have. I've also attached our power interest grid, which identifies key stakeholders in this. This has been also sent to your emails for reference. Sevi, you've been a little bit quiet over there. I just want to confirm that you agree with the governance structure and you're happy with the goals and if you're happy with the goals and objectives for this project.
Hey, Claudia and Amy. Sorry, I have been a little quiet, but I have been writing notes and taking this all in. I agree with the project objectives, and I think that the school will really appreciate having a new basketball court to use. I also agree it aligns with your company strategy as GFM prides itself on professional quality and completed projects. With all that being said, do you have anything in place if we run into the delays due to weather?
So we will have our project schedule updated at the end of each business day to ensure we're running on time. My project team are aware of their tasks and duties. The only thing which poses a real risk at the moment, like you said, is the weather. This is something that is out of control. However, we will monitor weather apps, and be in contact prior if this occurs.
Yeah, that's great. Thanks, Claudia.
No problem. I've also noted here that my team will be responsible for handing over the project once completed. So that'll include legal certifications and contracts to be signed. However, approving the finalisation of the project will ultimately be your decision, Amy, to ensure satisfaction across the board. Does everyone agree with that and our discussion today?
Yeah, that's fine, Claudia. You've clarified quite a lot, which is great. I don't have anything else to add, though.
Yeah, same here. I don't have anything else to add. Thanks, Claudia.
Okay, great. So, I'll talk to you both soon. Please check your emails after today's meeting as we'll have those attachments all sent through to you. So thank you and we'll be in touch soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See ya.